How to replace an agent cartridge on the HP Jet Fusion 5200, 5600, and 4200 3D printers. Please note that although the video shows a 5200 3D printer, the procedure also applies to the 5500 and 4200 3D printer. HP recommends using gloves and goggles if you are handling supplies. If an agent cartridge needs replacement, the front panel will display an alert in the notification center. Tap the alert displayed or go to Maintenance, Agents, select the empty agent, and tap Replace. Remember that you can replace the agent cartridges while printing continues, as the printer is supplied from the intermediate tanks. Press the agent door to release it and open the door. Locate the agent to be replaced in the front panel. It is indicated by a red light beside the carriage. Disconnect the agent connector by pressing the tabs on each side of it and pulling it away carefully. Rotate clockwise to remove the agent connector and avoid interference between the connector and the agent box. Remove the agent. Dispose in the old agent following the instructions on the packaging. Remove the new agent from the packaging. On a flat surface, turn it 4 times, rotating it through 360 degrees. Push down and fold inward the top part of the handle. Do not cut it. Remove the bottom cardboard. Then, remove the cardboard underneath. Remove the plastic seal. With one hand on the bottom of the agent and the other on the fold, put the new agent into its correct place in the printer. Connect the agent connector to the cartridge without pressing the tabs. If you press the tabs when connecting, the agent will not be locked. Ensure that the tabs on each side of the agent connector are open but in place, showing a successful connection. You will hear a click. Close the door. On the front panel, tap Finish and check. Now your cartridge has been replaced and your printer is ready to print normally.